Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I'm BENIDORM Mad Mike. We do videos on Benidorm, around Benidorm, let you know what's going on. If you like the videos, don't forget to like and subscribe and enjoy the video. Okay guys, we can see why it's quiet in the ambassador at the moment. I'll show you when we walk down. As you can see from here, Uncle over the road there. A lot of the guys are over there having their break. That's going to keep them going for a while. Last month or so it's been really quiet in there. Right, we've got
hotel with the
thank you Marcus, I forgot what it's called there. Let's pull you back a bit so you can see. Now we thought this was going to open. I don't think it is now. We did see flowers and whatnot going in there. Unless they're just going to open the week before Christmas or something. Award winner this year. And we closed for most of it. Okay, moving on. Country Road's not been open, Black Pearl not been open. Just mark it on the end there, it's been open all the way through. GM26 here?
Gemelios 26.
Yeah, Gemelios 26, sorry. Thanks mate.
No, good.
It's hard to see and through the camera.
I managed to do it.
Because you're young. This old part. There we go. Okay Mark, is that a hotel or apartment sort of thing? Yeah.
Apartments.
It's not residential, huh?
No, not that on my house.
On we go. You might see a lot of these bars open next year. what we've been told now. Come March, it'll all be over here, and we'll be getting back to some kind of normality. We'll be able to come out without all these silly tests and stuff. And you get back on with your holidays as normal. That's what we're hearing. So I put an end date on it. Let me know if it really happened. Not by the penny farthing now. Can do a few more guys in there. I'll stop and open now. We did get out and see where the market was on yesterday, and it wasn't. We did hear a rumour it'd start up on Wednesday again, but not. You're back down. That mini golf in there yet, isn't it?
Yeah. This would be like a mini golf and flyover sort of place.
I don't know whether these places are going to reopen or
It
what's
hasn't
going to
been
happen.
open for ages.
It's like the other one up in... where's the other one, Marcus?
On Avenida Mediterranean.
Yeah, that one's been shut for a while as well. So, anyway guys, we're going to head up here. I'm going to end the video here, and we'll catch the rest on the next one. Alright, bye.